taking some more amazing signals, stacking some more micros. Just signed into the Asian session. Already had some nice washout signals down here. Will pop up. Got some washout signals here. Just got a nice move down. Had a big wick on this candle. Pointing control up into the wick right here. Some cumulative delta. Reversal arrows. Bounced right off of this previous day VWAP close. Part of the ultimate VWAP indicator. There's links to all the MMT indicators in the description. They're the culmination of 18 years of trading. I've created the MMT collection to trade with personally on a daily basis. You can see countless videos on my channel of me using them in the daily markets, explaining every trade that I take and why I take it. Sometimes you get an indicator and you get a little instruction manual and some screenshots, and that's it. With the MMT indicators, there are countless videos where you can watch these indicators in action over and over. Possibly try to learn through osmosis. Although I think personal experience and time in the markets is the only way to get anywhere in the game of trading. I got into a long on this candle. We are dipping out into this cluster of imbalance levels and got another washout and imbalance signal to the upside. Intrabar on each tick before the candle had closed. There's a pretty big wick starting to form, so I grabbed a long, looking for it to possibly test this next imbalance level up here, which we just touched. Had some washout signals to the downside up here, some imbalance signals to the downside before this nice move down. We had the pink bearish ADX on this 5-minute candle on the NQ. Decent amount of delta coming in. Nice break lower. I missed seeing my 5-minute NQ chart, so now I've got the 5-minute NQ, 5-minute ES. I've got a 1-minute micro NASDAQ right here that I can trade on. I've got a 1-minute regular NQ that I can trade on. Then I've got my 60-minute micro NASDAQ chart. I can switch over to a 60-minute micro ES chart if I want to trade some micros on the ES. I love these tabs on NinjaTrader 8, gotta say. They come in handy. But this is my all-in-one, one-screen setup. I've traded exclusively on a laptop for, I think, over a decade now. I much prefer to have the focused attention of just the one screen. I've had multiple screens before in the past and just too much to look at, eyes wandering all over the place. I like having this focus. So I just tried out the MMT chart buttons with the pending order that catches markers that print on the chart. As we are coming down to this previous value area, high or low, that's extended all the way to the right here, I set a pending buy order, and as soon as one of these green imbalance arrows fired, put me into a long. Got some nice profit there. So the chart buttons are working on the delta diamonds and the trend and reversal indicator, and they're also working recognizing these arrows on my new indicator that's based on imbalances. Also check out the higher time frames. On this 5-minute candle, we had a big wick, point of control in the wick, bullish ADX, had a nice pop up afterwards. On the ES, we had single bar divergence with point of control in the wick, broke above, nice pop up. I'm always looking for correlation between the higher time frames, like the 5-minute and the 60-minute, when I am taking these scalps off of the 1-minute charts. I just logged into the late morning session a little bit ago. Been taking some shorts up here, some cumulative delta reversals, some Chaikin divergence here, some delta diamonds to the downside. Had a double washout signal up here. Had a nice long washout signal back here. The washout signals continue to impress me. Just got into another short here. We came up to the 20 SMA, rejected with a delta diamond to the downside, some bearish ADX, had a nice little pop down there. There's also an ADX reversal arrow on this 5-minute NQ candle, and a lot of negative delta coming in on this 5-minute ES candle. Had a nice cumulative delta reversal arrow right here. Some delta diamonds to the upside, some bullish ADX. Nice pullback up to the 20. ADX turned bearish, closed back below the 20, more delta diamonds to the downside. We had a washout signal up here, this top candle, then a big imbalance candle, a 2 and a 10. Got a nice drop lower. just need about $5 to get this one Take Profit Trader account to being funded. I'm trying not to force a trade and just waiting till I see something I really like. Alright, I did it. Just took a short intra bar when this washout signal appeared. Also had some cumulative delta reversal and some bearish ADX. Got into a little short there. I just needed a few points. So now we got one of these Take Profit Trader accounts to funded status. I already have an Apex funded account, so I've just got one more Take Profit eval. I'm going to take this one that I just passed off of my REPLIKANTO in case I take any trades later. It'll trade on my other accounts, but not that one. I just hopped back on for a little bit of the afternoon session. Grabbed a short here. We had a bunch of washout signals building up here. Then we got a cumulative reversal arrow, delta diamond to the downside. Grabbed a little short, looking forward to retest whole number in the 20 SMA, which we just did. I'm going to be done for the day. I hope you enjoyed seeing how I navigated the markets with the MMT indicators. There are links to all the MMT indicators in the description. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Anyone that's out there using code MonkeyMan is the best. Thanks so much for your support. Take Profit Trader still has 40% off and no activation fee. I wish you best of luck in your trading. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.